How to turn off two-step verifications on Google accounts. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to remove two-step verification from your Google account. Go to Play Store. Tap on this profile at the top. So now tap on this Google account. In this section, now scroll to left and go to security. In this section, now tap on this profile at the top again. Now select the Google account you want to remove two-step verification from it. I'll select this one. After you select the one that you want, now scroll to down. As you can see, it says two-step verification. So tap on it. So it will take you to this option. As you can see now, here it says your account is protected with two-step verification. So all you have to do now, tap on this section, turn off this one. So you can tap on this turn off. Here it says turn off two-step verification will remove the extra security on your Google account. Tap on this section, turn off. So as you can see now I turn off my two-step verification on my Google account. Tap on this back arrow. That's it guys on how to turn off two-step verification on Google account. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.